Ahead of the 79th Bayangkara anniversary, the Kuwu Sector Police and West Manggarai provide building materials to a chapel in Lawi village where constructions were discontinued due to limited funds.
Now, police had to navigate narrow and uphill roads to reach the location. However, all of their efforts paid off when they finally arrived at the remote chapel.
15 Kuwus police personnel gathered in their base in the far east Manggarai, located 101 kilometers from the capital of Labuan Bajo Regency. They lifted 30 sacks of cement into a pickup truck that was borrowed from the district office. This was all prepared for the construction of St. Arnoldus Chapel in Lawi village. The location is only 8 kilometers from the police base, but the journey is not an easy task. The truck moved slowly along the narrow road in Golowelu, and they had to avoid driving over cloves and coffee beans that were laid out to dry in the middle of the road by residents. During their challenging journey, they were accompanied by views of rice fields and the sound of flowing rivers. Kuwu Sector Police Chief, Second Inspector Arsi Lentar, was traditionally welcomed at the chapel. There were no stage and ceremony, but only spirits of service and family. Together, they moved the cement into the church. This is a service dedicated to Manggarai to celebrate the 79th Bayangkara anniversary.
Kalau setiap kali sambut baru, misal kunjungan masa Natal, Paskah, pasti kami tetap fungsikan ini kepala untuk apa. Tapi belum rampung semua, makanya kami minta bantuan untuk bisa membantu sedikit untuk masyarakat gabut, karena masyarakat gabut betul-betul tidak bisa untuk melanjutkan kepala yang sedang membantu. Kalau perasaan saya rasa senang dan bangga sekali karena Kapolsek Kubus apa yang dia janjikan betul-betul nyata hari ini.
Some police personnel helped construction workers arrange bricks on the side of the chapel, while others joined the locals in clearing wild grass growing in the chapel yard. This act of social service is part of police's efforts to connect with the community. The police chief said that police must work together with locals to keep the area safe and orderly.
Ini sebagai wujud nyatanya kami tadi ala kadarnya memberikan berupa 30 sak semen. Kiranya bahwa kehadiran kami di sini juga sebagai wujud kehadiran negara, ya, dalam melihat segala situasi yang terjadi di dekat masyarakat. Memang bukan secara kebetulan, bukan hanya di Kepila ini, saya banyak pembangunan Kepila dan infrastruktur lain masyarakat di sini, tapi kami lebih memilih ini. Kami lebih memilih ini Gawut karena melihat progresnya. Progres gereja ini kan sebentar lagi mau jadi, ya. Sayang sekali kalau misalnya tidak dilanjutkan sementara progres sudah hampir 80%.
The police conduct social service activity every year ahead of Bayangkara Day that falls on July 1st. This year's social service aims to inspire others to support the construction of places of worship in remote areas. Siti Rekep Jupiter reporting from East Nusa Tenggara.
And now we